To update your graphic card driver, you can go to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to NVIDIA website. Now, over here, you have to select your graphic card. In Device Manager, you can check your graphic card over here. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here, your operating system, and then click on Find. On this page, you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. For now, it's 596.36. Click on View and then click on Download. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and then click on Yes to allow. Click on OK. Now click on Agree and Continue over here, and then I will go for clean installation, so I will select Custom option. Click on Next and then put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation. Put a check and then click on Next. And once the clean installation is complete, let the process complete, then restart your PC. And after the system, you can check. So this is how you can update your drivers. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.